Hi, amazing Leos. How are you guys doing? Hi, welcome to Soul's Tarot. So, all my information, people, in the description box, kindly have a look. And if you're new to my channel, I welcome you. Thank you so much for being here. Explore the channel. I hope you find what you're looking for. My old journals, thank you so much. I'm greatly indebted to you for your love, the support, and thank you everybody, really, for supporting the channel, for following us on Twitter and on Instagram. Thank you so much. And I hope you're having a wonderful year. I can't believe it's Jan. It's like Jan 2022, and we are in that season. Wow, I love it. So, as I call upon my master and my guides, Michael Gabriel Blueberry, show me the messages, Gulchan, that I need to see for my Leo is watching. It's going to be a big reading, I feel, for you, Leos. I really see that that's what they show me. Michael tells me 3 more shuffles. And they say you need to do 2 things. They're literally showing me like 2 things. Okay, Leos, there are 2 things that you need to see. They ask me to stop. So what do we need to see for our Leos watching? Okay, I don't know. My ring seems a little uneasy in the other hand. Yeah, I have to switch it. So I did. Super Leos. Smile. I think it's going to be great. Don't worry about it. Okay. Balance. 6 of Pentacles. This is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This is restoration. This is everything coming into balance. Good, bad, not so good, work, love, whatever. It's going to come into balance, Leos. Amazing to start with, and that is the energy of the year as well. So it's going to bring in a lot of, like I said, restoration in your inner and your external landscape. Whatever it is could relate with your decisions to do with love, decisions to do with work. Okay, so you should feel happy and confident that finally things are going to fall into place. This could be slow. This could come in slow this year, but going for the week, of course, it's coming in, but it's coming in slow, but it's coming in your favor. I think because you've done the work, and you've done the work believing in yourself more so. I don't wonder if we get strength. Considering energy here. This is again Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You could have that, or dealing with some. This is balance for me. This is like riding ahead and going ahead in the speed, the way the divine is taking you. Do not question it, do not doubt it. They're just saying that, Leos, you need to be confident about whatever you've planted in the past is going to repay. Good or bad, you know it in your heart, right? But of course, it's going to come around in such a good way that you would be happy. Of course, you'll be happy, right? But don't go thinking, oh, it's not arriving, oh, when it's going to arrive, to a want. They're saying that it's going to come in. Divine intervention will happen. Keep your effort and your endeavors going. Okay, keep your work going. Do things rightfully from the space of goodness, and your endeavors would be successful. Your friends would be coming around back to maybe some exes are going to come around that you don't really expect. And I'm not talking like new exes, old exes. They're going to rebound, and that is something that you need to pay attention to. Use your reasoning and right communication to actually put it across. Yeah, Moon, Piscean energy. What you don't know and you don't understand right now, what is not seen, is going to see the light. This is, I don't know, I get a very karmic energy here. For some of you, obviously it's not going to resonate with everybody, but there's a karmic kind of learning or a lesson which is unfolding that you don't see. But it's going to happen in the right way, because somebody was not fair to somebody in the past. Okay, that is why it is going to turn around, and how it's going to turn around is something that divine knows. But meditation and paying attention to your acts, or if you're a cross watcher, paying attention to the acts that one is doing would really help. So spend time with people you feel that bring out the most productive energy in you. And I told you, I get goosebumps when spirit comes around this way. I was talking about this energy. You'll be needing a lot of strength going forward, because this is what will keep you together. This is your energy. Okay, this is right underneath Knight of Pentacles. You might feel slow, sluggish, things not working out. How can I rejoice? How can I have fun? I don't understand things with the moon here, and whether it's love or career, whatever. I've been waiting. I've done my bit. Why isn't the chariot progressing and all of that? But they're saying, stand up. You'll have to undergo this little struggle so that you can reap the rewards, because favorable time for you definitely is seen with the justice here. But let's see one more card to really give us the finals on it. They say a little piece of morsel also feels too much when you're super hungry and you have not eaten for a day, right? So this is the kind of energy that you might feel depleted right now, and you want things to happen quickly, but they're saying have faith. Have faith in spirit. Know that they're working for you, with you, beside you. Okay, and that's why they're saying that you would not sleep hungry. I mean, that's a metaphor. You will not sleep hungry means that you would get whatever you're really asking for, and there's help for you there. There are helpful people around you. For some, career would be, of course, a tricky situation, but would be nice provided you keep putting in your best, not expecting the results. That is the only key to success, right? That is the way you can unlock it. So be on your toes, keep working, bring about the change. And how I really see this is that you have to continue to do what you're doing right now, howsoever slow it may seem, howsoever unclear it may seem, or you may be like in a state where you don't know whether it's right, more so to do it or not. They're saying that the advice is that continue to make those choices that feel right, and don't be in the state of dilemma. Okay, get the clarity, because the spirit is sending you that clarity. It could be in love also, that you standing very confused right now whether to go forward or not, because I said something is not known to you, and it's going to see the light whichever way. Could be you, could be the person, could be anybody else. So the idea is that it is going to see the light. Whoever has been done wrong in this situation would see it big time. And but they're saying that stand in your power, take that leap of faith, trust divine, know that they have your back, they're supporting you. And in regard to your work or your professional engagement, they're saying that whatever decisions you make this space from that zone where you have your head and your heart in place, in balance. It may feel slow, it may feel that, oh, you know what, it's not giving me the results, etc., etc., but they're saying they continue doing that so that it brings in what you're asking for. If you're single watching my love, it is a good time for you. Okay, finally things will start moving, but it's so to do with your strength, it's so to do with the faith that you have in divine, that would work out things, whether it's in regard to your career, whether it's in regard to your love relationship. If you're already dating or in a relationship with somebody, loads of fun times together, favorable time is seen for you guys, but make sure that you do not lose out on balancing it all. Okay, what is the so this is the general love and career message that we have, and let's see what are the messages we have from the universe coming in for my Leos. They say ask an expert. They show me that you should ask an expert. If there's a confusion for some reason somewhere, ask an expert. They'll guide you well. You can consult your parents, your guru, your master. Okay, if you really feel confused right now, not sure about things while watching the reading, if that's the kind of thought you have, you should actually go forward. And it's nothing wrong whether you're married, in a relationship, thinking about something, or you are open in a relationship, single, going forward, you want a high level of commitment, whatever, work wise. If you need professional advice, you must go forward. Okay, show me the messages from the universe that I need to see for my Leos. Michael Blueberry. I always like take a flipper, and so I've drawn. Yeah, see, I recognize that I have chosen fear and I choose again. I choose love. So true. So basically, Leos, this is actually a very strong reminder of being in the energy. Don't let your fears cloud you. Okay, don't let your fears cloud you. Use your mind judiciously, your time judiciously, your energies wisely. Okay, and choose love so that you do not make the same old mistakes. Okay, do not make the same old mistakes that take away the balance, that makes you feel sluggish, that makes you feel, oh god, where am I, where is it going, where is it heading, when will I see the result, I am ready, but still things are not panning out. Divine has a plan. They say trust, keep going, and do right. Just do right. Okay, just do the right. That's what the divine is saying. So let's see what are the angel messages we need to see. This is Doreen, and if you have a question you can ask. The answer may fall out for you guys, or general love and career messages, any which we are going to play as I pull out. What are the messages we need to see for Leos? I can't believe, the way spirit works. Trust. There's nothing more greater than trust. You have to trust what this divine is bringing you. You have to trust. Trust. This is the outcome. Trust. Trust in the bigger plan. Don't worry, but make sure that you do things from the right place. Okay, my Leos? This is what I have for you, general love and career messages. If you're interested, you can connect with me on Twitter and on Instagram, or comment below, like, subscribe. That would be wonderful if you can do that. And from this little space from where I connect with you guys, I send you so much of love and light. Thank you so much for watching, for being here, and sending you so much of love until eternity. That's all I can do. Never postponing joy. Bye for now.